Hello, I'm Mike Liggins. Welcome to King & Co. Today we're going to show you how to plant a tree which has been grown in a container. King & Co are Plant Healthy certified and RHS Chelsea Gold medal winners. The company is run by Paul King. Why is it a good idea to buy a tree in a container?
First of all, we can plant containerised trees all the year round. As long as we keep them watered and, as I say, nicely irrigated through the first summer, after that they'll look after themselves. They're much lighter than traditional root board trees would be. Much easier to transport, much more economical to transport, in other words, keeping the cost, the final cost to the consumer down as well.
The equipment you will need: a spade, obviously, tape measure, drill. You will also need a post knocker. A sledgehammer will also suffice. Then we have fertiliser from King & Co. A staking kit, 2 stakes, a crossbar and a tree tie, compost, mulch, and today I also have Gary and Joe. Start by working out where you want the tree to go. Make sure you know how tall it's going to grow and that it's going to fit in your garden in years to come. When you've done that, mark out an area 25% wider than the root ball. Next, dig the hole, or planting pit as the professionals call it. Be careful not to go too deep. You want to be just a couple of centimetres deeper than the root ball. Keep your excavated soil to one side, ready to use as backfill. Now remove your tree from its container. Trees are also grown in bags, so if that's the case, remove this too. And then put your tree in the planting pit. It's really important to check the tree isn't too shallow or too deep. Remember, the root ball needs to be just a couple of centimetres below ground level. And if it's wrong, just add or take away soil. We recommend double staking trees of this size to help support them. It protects the roots and keeps the tree upright and stable. Knock the stakes in until they're held firmly in the ground. Add the crossbar, then the tree tie. And now your tree is secure. It's a really good idea to improve your soil quality. So just take the excavated soil and add some multi-purpose compost. Better still, incorporate some King & Co specialised tree fertiliser to give your tree a real boost. Now backfill the planting pit with your newly improved soil, making sure to fill round the side of the root ball. It's incredibly important to firmly heel in the soil. This is to ensure good root and soil contact. Add mulch around the tree to help trap moisture and prevent weed growth. Finally, water in your new tree to help it settle. We recommend a couple of litres every other day in the warm growing season for a tree of this size. Watering is the key to success. And by the way, too much water can be as detrimental as not enough. Now, if you're worried about watering, or you've got a question about any of the steps we've just talked about, then do get in contact with King & Co. The contact details are on the website, and the address is really easy to remember. It's just kingco.co.uk.